welcome to another tea first impressions video. First of all, I've been really sick throughout all of January. It has been absolutely horrendous, so I'm sorry for my lack of videos, and if I sound kind of nasally still. I am almost out of this, but I'm not quite there yet. But I really wanted to film. So today I have, as I said, a tea first impressions video, and this is going to be from my Sips by January box. The tea I'm going to break into today is from a brand called Turmeric Teas. Now I saw this and I instantly got excited because I love turmeric. I've been making a whole lot of curry recently, as in like that's my go-to dish. There's been a lot of research also to say that turmeric or turmeric root with the principle of, I think it's called curcumin? Don't quote me on that one, has a lot of really good principles for your health. So it's known as anti-inflammatory, and also it's starting to show signs of helping as kind of like an antidepressant. Looking on their website, another great thing this brand does is they actually give back money and part of their proceeds to the food banks of Canada. So I just think that's really nice. They're just really trying to help this part of the world with health benefits as well as food benefits. I have the flavor Dawn from this company, which is energizing organic chai tea with turmeric. And it is organic Assam tea, organic cinnamon, organic ginger, organic turmeric, organic cardamom, organic pink peppercorn, and organic cracked black pepper. That sounds really good to me. I kind of feel like this would be something I'd want to eat. On my little Sips by postcard for the month, it has the description that this is going to be a high caffeinated tea, and it is a flavorful chai with turmeric blend to help energize your day. It's also loaded with the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric. Let's see if this smells like turmeric, or if I'm kind of wondering if it's going to be the color of turmeric, so that bright yellowy orange. I don't think I'm going to be able to reseal this very well, so let's be careful about this, Kathy. Ooh. Okay. It definitely smells like a chai tea with turmeric, and I am getting the smell of turmeric. The bag itself is a bit powdery on the inside. I don't know exactly what powder. Oh, sorry, this smells really good. Oh, I'm actually able to distinguish what is what in this blend, so it's really cool. Like, I can see the ginger, I see a pink peppercorn. That's really cool. So it's not milled down like a lot of teas are. Okay, I'm really excited. Let's brew this so I can start sipping it now. Here is my tea all brewed up, and I'm really excited because it is the color of turmeric. Now, I don't know exactly what I was expecting because turmeric powder makes everything the color of it. If you've ever cooked anything with turmeric, you just know it goes everywhere. But it's that color and it makes me happy. Also, whenever I was brewing, it wasn't just like the peppercorns which are whole, there was whole cardamom pods in there, which just excites me. Smells so good. It does smell pretty much exactly like how it did in the bag, so it doesn't seem like it's lost any of its potency. But I do feel like I'm smelling a bit more of the chai than what I was in the bag. So if anything, it smells stronger. It's hot. Okay. It has the mellow flavor of a chai tea. Then it just has that hint of a turmeric twist on it, but it still tastes like a chai tea. I love the smell of this. I am kind of stunned at the moment at how delicious it is. It's like a not your ordinary chai tea. So it has the great prominent flavors of a chai tea and what I love in a chai tea, with just that twist of the turmeric, which I really like this. You could do this up as a chai latte and all my dreams would come true. So I'm looking up on the website while sipping this delicious amazingness, and it looks like they have 4 types of tea. So they have the organic chai, They have a lemongrass, a ginger, a peppermint, and then it looks like a superfood latte blend. Exciting. These look really, really good, and they just look like they're a good twist on your classic teas. I don't quite know if I like the name Dawn for the tea, but let's see what they are. We have Dawn, Dusk, Winter, and Summer as the tea names. Okay, I see they're trying to go with the trend for it. I'm not even gonna wait to finish this cuppa to give you my final review. I love this. This is absolutely phenomenal. I don't think I want to drink anything else today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I will leave the links for this tea, this brand, and the Sips Buy box down in the description box below in case you want to check it out for yourself. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me down below what sort of teas you want me to try next or other videos you want me to do, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.